Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to use Quora and earn money. So when using your Quora app, I'm giving you a full detail on how to use a Quora app and earn money. So here, for my introduction, is Quora. Quora is a question and answer platform where people share knowledge. You can use it to build your online reputation and even earn money through content creation. It's like YouTube, but like Facebook, but when you answer them, you earn money, something like that. And you don't actually earn money when you answer, but you earn money when you get follows, and I'll just explain it later on the video. So, first step is build a strong profile, create an account on Quora.com, upload a real photo, and write a short bio. Follow topics you're interested in, like travel, business, or beauty, and goal is to create credibility so people trust your answers. So you need to have a credibility so people will trust your answers on Quora. So step 2, answer question constantly. Finding questions you're confident answering, give detailed and helpful responses, and add examples or pictures if possible. The more helpful your answers are, the more views and followers you'll gain in Quora. So ways to earn in Quora: through Quora Space, create your own space. So yeah, it can be your travel tips, business ideas, some foods or games or any of those, and earn through ad revenue or affiliate links. Then drive traffic to other device. I mean other platform, and link to your YouTube, blog, or TikTok. So this one is if you want to make much more in Quora, try to link your YouTube or TikTok or blog or maybe Instagram or something like that. Um, Earn money indirectly from your other platforms like YouTube, TikTok by using your Quora. You can use Quora to gain much more followers and supporters. And step 4 is tips to grow fast. Answer 5 to 10 questions daily. Choose evergreen topics like study tips, travel, or business. And use clear writing with bullet points. Engage with readers and reply to comments. And examples: income path. So if you're a beginner, answer daily and build an audience. And stage 2, you're an intermediate, create space and add affiliate links. And stage 3, advanced, link to YouTube slash blog slash TikTok slash Insta slash Twitter to make to make an income from your Quora. In conclusion, Quora can be a great platform to share your knowledge and earn money. Focus on creating valuable content, be consistent, and grow your audience. And a quick tip for you guys: if you're gonna starting your linking, I suggest start with YouTube first, then go to Facebook, then TikTok, then other apps next. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comments below. Happy to answer you, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.